What's going on, everybody? Mason Lopez, founder, owner, operator here at Sun Drenched Farm, our family owned and operated certified organic hemp farm here in northern Illinois, where we specialize in cultivating, solventlessly extracting, and then finally formulating and designing the final premium CBD products for your relief. Today, we're gonna go over each CBD product that we offer and break it down, the best way to use and optimize each product for your unique relief. Let's get it started first with the Sun Drenched CBD concentrate. This is the original rosin blend that we offered right here. So this is going to be your CBD concentrate for dabbing primarily. We do have some people who will section this off and cook with it. That's fine too. But the best use for this product was made to optimize and enhance your dabbing experience, to go along with THC products or to be dabbed on its own. This product was made not only for impact with high CBD percentages. We'll look on the back of the packaging here, 92.8% cannabinoids with 91% being CBD, also CBDV and CBC in here. Always using cannabis-derived terpenes. This is the highest quality CBD concentrate that you can get. Really strong effects and incredibly flavorful. Let's get it popped open, get a dab packed, and we'll show you how to use the CBD rosin blend concentrate. This is the Puffco proxy that we're going to be using to test out and break down the rosin blend concentrate. So let's get it started. We're going to scoop out a little section and get the proxy loaded. I always recommend starting with about a grain of rice size. You see this right here, gooey and crystallized, 91% CBD. You want to start off with about a grain of rice because with 2 grams of isolate and rosin at 91%, we're going to be up around 2,000 milligrams of CBD. This little grain of rice size will put you around 100 to 200 milligrams. Perfect dose for most adults. Average effective dose is around 200 to 300. So with a grain of rice size, great spot to start. All right, so we got her loaded. Now with this device, we're waiting for it to warm up, be ready to use. You know your device, you know how to load it and use it. But we got the basics covered. We got about 100 to 200 milligrams of CBD rosin blend concentrate in here. The hard part's over. Now it's time to enjoy it. Let's wait for this to vibrate. And there we go, locked and loaded. And my favorite part about this, number one, is the immediate effect. This is one of my favorite products that we offer. As far as immediate relief, you get it, for any smokers or dabbers out there, this is it. And I really love this as a replacement for CBD isolate. If you're somebody who has dabbed CBD isolate before, you know what that's like. Maybe you've mixed it with a high THC concentrate. It creates a beautiful effect. The benefit to using CBD rosin blend concentrate instead of just CBD isolate is that isolate is completely flavorless. We use strictly live steam distilled cannabis derived terpenes and add back into our rosin blend concentrate. So you are getting the full amazing flavor along with the outstanding effects. And like we've talked about in other videos, that is what makes a product full spectrum. It might not be the natural occurring terpenes because we're adding terpenes back in, but those terpenes are cannabis derived, naturally occurring. They are the highest quality and they are working with the CBD, the 91% CBD, to give you a strong, powerful effect where you are getting the relief that you want to see in your products. So next, we're going to move on to the CBD rosin blend disposable cartridge. This is the newest product that we have dropped, brand new, featuring the only product, the first product to feature our organic Painted Lady CBD rosin. If you've tried the Painted Lady flower, you know that the flower is jam-packed of amazing fruit-flavored terpenes and aromatic compounds. The smell is second to none. The flavor is second to none, and it translates in the rosin. And then using our Purple Punch live steam distilled terpenes along to really deliver on that fruity flavor, the flavor and effect of this one is really something you got to try if you're a smoker out there. If you use cartridges, if you're looking for something to take the edge off but not give you a head race, a head high, this is the product for you to try. Outstanding flavor, outstanding effects, still clear-headed and productive, but relaxed and centered where you need to be for optimal performance. This, along with the rosin blend concentrate, is my go-to during the day. So you saw me take her out the box, right? We get real simple, slides down, pops right out. We got the ingredients right here on the side. We'll go over the percentages. So total cannabinoids at 51.6% with CBD at 45. Very, very high, around 1 to 2% in minor cannabinoids like CBC. It is truly transformational when used correctly. So you take her out the box. It will come with the plug-in for the mouthpiece. Just an extra precautionary piece to add to the quality. We want you getting the highest possible quality product when you're opening your package. So you get her taken out, get the mouthpiece taken out, and it's ready to go. No buttons to press, no nothing. All you do is take a hit. Smooth as can be, flavorful as can be. Again, immediate effects. Clear-headed, relaxed and centered, ready to go. You will get a full 1 gram cartridge here, and if you see on the bottom, when you see me hitting from it, the light will show you that it's working, and then you also have a charging port to recharge should the battery run out before you get through with all of your rosin blend disposable concentrate in here. Fantastic product, our newest one. I highly recommend this for my smokers out there. Not just CBD. If you're a THC smoker, I recommend adding this into your rotation. Using both at the same time, you can really achieve some great effects. And then also just something to switch it up so you're not constantly using THC. You'd be surprised what CBD can do for you. So next we're gonna move on to the full spectrum 1500 milligram tincture. I'll go over the 3000 milligram THC free as well. They're both the same thing. They're both tincture, oil, just oil dropper applicator, right? So the serving size in these, about a half dropper right here, is about 50 milligrams of full spectrum. If this were the 3000, a half dropper would be about 100 milligrams. We're gonna get a dropper ready here. You know how to use a dropper, you just pinch it, get your oil up in there, and then very simple. I always recommend holding it under your tongue for a little bit, but really this is going to be absorbed through digestion, essentially being an edible product. So onset will take 30 minutes to possibly even over an hour. If you're like myself, it's something you start to feel pretty quickly, whether it's placebo or your body is used to it and knows what's coming as far as relief and effects. But get your dropper, drops, hold it under your tongue. So we offer these in natural flavor, no flavorings whatsoever. All you're gonna get is the hemp mixed in there, and again, that's just terpenes, flavonoids, naturally occurring compounds within our organic hemp flower that you're gonna taste. Or we offer organically flavored orange or lemon options as well. That's for either the full spectrum here or the 3000 milligram THC free for our customers who just wanna stay away from THC or they get drug tested for their job. We have that option for you as well. Great flavor. The full spectrum is gonna be a little spicy. Like I said, that's the natural flavor of the plant. For some people, it's too much. If you're worried about that strong hemp flavor, but you still want to go with the full spectrum, highly recommend either of the orange or the lemon options. It's a personal preference on what you prefer, but they definitely do a good job on masking the stronger plant hemp flower taste. Highly recommend this product, especially the full spectrum. It is always one of my first products I recommend for people looking to get an introduction to CBD. You can start out with a lower dose, or remember around 50 milligrams. Serving size is on the box, but it is a full certified organic tincture. We use organic MCT oil with our organic certified rosin, whether Merlot or Painted Lady. Like I said, not only are you getting the cannabinoids, but you're getting the terpenes, the flavonoids, all the compounds you need to get the full transformational relief that you are searching for in your CBD product. So now we're going to move on to the highly acclaimed, highly regarded CBD rosin blend capsules. This is, as of now, our most popular product. Highly, highly recommend. The reason why this is so great is each capsule is around 200 milligrams. We're using CBD rosin, full spectrum, organic, and then we're using CBD isolate, obviously very high amounts of CBD, and combining that into one product. So not only are you getting high dosage, but you're getting the ancillary compounds that are working in synergy with that high impact CBD. Each capsule being around 200 milligrams. The average effective dose, research has shown for CBD is around 200 to 300 milligrams. So at 200 milligrams, one works for most people. If you're like myself, you usually want a little bit more impact. You take two at night. Makes falling asleep a lot easier, and staying asleep is generally the case, is a lot of the feedback that we hear back. People who are used to waking up 5 to 10 times during the night, who are only waking up a couple or not at all. So I accidentally grabbed two here. Right now I'm only gonna take one. You don't need to be afraid to take two and play around with it. Always recommend starting low and working your way up. If you don't have to take more than one, there's no reason to. Save a little bit of money. So here's one capsule, 200 milligrams. Like I said, the average effective dose in adults. So what this is gonna do is going to help your body relax. If you're tired, it's gonna help you go to sleep. If you're having pain, it's gonna reduce your inflammation and give you relief from pain. If you're dealing with some sort of ailment, it's gonna regulate your nervous system and help you fight that ailment. So try out the capsules, highly, highly recommend. One of the most favorite products, one of our highest sellers, the highest seller actually, so good option if you're looking for CBD relief, natural alternatives to wellness. And taking the capsule, we might as well show off the hand-painted mugs. We offer hand-painted shirts and hand-painted mugs, painted by my wife and my mom. Again, this is 100% family owned and operated. Every little bit of work that goes on behind the scenes is done by our family. And there is a lot of work being cultivation, processor, and product delivery, manufacturer, and the retail seller. Check out our mugs, not only CBD products, but artisan design too. These are all handcrafted and designed by my wife and my mom. Highly recommend, very unique. It's not something you're gonna go to the store and find. So very, very cool. So next, we're going to move on to the brand new CBD rosin and rosin blend gummies. We're going to have a full spectrum, strictly organic rosin option, and we're going to have a rosin blend option, which is our signature, like we explained with the capsules. With the rosin blend, you're getting a mix of the full spectrum certified organic rosin with the high impact, high potency CBD isolate, pure CBD isolate. That's what these are right here. This is the rosin blend gummies, super cherry flavor. This is a 4 milliliter piece, about 6 grams. This one piece is gonna be about 150 milligrams of CBD. Look on the package. When you get your product, it'll indicate if each piece will be either 75 milligrams or 150. Again, the average effective dose in adults is between 2 and 300. Now, you may not need to take 200. Maybe you're somebody that 100 is fine. Maybe you're somebody that's 50 is fine. So if you have a 75 milligram gummy, maybe you only need to eat half of it. Most people are gonna need around 2 to 300. Myself, I generally need around 4 to 500 because of the tolerance I've built up. And then also each person is gonna metabolize it differently. So here, 150 milligrams, I'm gonna eat the full one. We've already eaten other products. I've probably consumed close to or above 600 milligrams at this point. I'm not worried about another 150, and I'm just saying that to communicate that you don't need to be too concerned about taking too much, but you definitely want to start low and find your perfect dosage point. There is no reason to take more than necessary. If 50 is good for you, that's amazing. If it takes 300 for you, well, that's what we got to do. And you would take 2 gummies and that would be perfect. So here again, super cherry, rosin blend, sun-drenched farm gummies. Let's see how it tastes. Man, if you're a fan of cherry, that's just perfect. Yeah, yeah. If you're a cherry fan, personally, that's my favorite fruit. This is more like a cherry candy flavor, super candy flavor. That's outstanding. And at 150 milligrams, personally, I would eat 2 or 3 of these before going to bed. Get your dosage around 300 to 450 milligrams. For me, that's the perfect dose to hit the bed hard, stay asleep, and wake up without feeling groggy. Maybe you're taking it for pain relief. Still, only need to eat a couple, or if your tolerance is up there, you only need to eat 3 or 4. Fantastic option for those of you who like a very simple, great tasting way to consume your CBD. Sun Drenched Farm CBD Rosin Blend Gummies, great option for you. The final product, also currently unreleased here in this beautiful mason jar, is our beautiful lavender smelling CBD Rosin Blend Salve. So this is going to be a topical product. You see that right here. So this is a lot like a balm, going to be a little bit thicker than a cream. I always use it for back pain, just real simple, so I can show you here. I'll just rub it on my arm. Say I was having elbow pain. So when we offer this, it's going to be in around 2-ounce jars to start. 7,500 milligrams of CBD is what's going to be in a 2-ounce jar. So what I did here was take a dollop on the end, maybe the size of a cherry to start, and whatever, say I'm having elbow pain, you apply directly to the area and just rub in. That's all you're gonna do. Now it does take quite a bit of time for the CBD to absorb through your skin. It is one of the harder absorption methods as far as your body utilizing CBD, but it is a great option when you have local pain, right? When you have a specific area that you're looking to relieve, CBD topical is a fantastic option. If you're an athlete, you know, and your knees are constantly at the end of the day sore and you're icing, but you still wake up super slow, rusty, and you know, it just feels like that knee isn't really flexing. CBD topicals are a fantastic option because, again, what CBD products, especially more full spectrum ones, are great at is reduction of inflammation. So if you're an athlete, you have sore muscles, back pain, almost always, majority of your symptoms are caused by inflammation. So if you can target a specific area of your body that is accumulating inflammation and causing pain, causing stiffness, why wouldn't you, right? We want to get right at that problem. We want to solve that problem right on the spot. CBD salve right here is going to be a fantastic option to treat any local pain, any stiffness, any inflammation that you have. So all you do, real simple, is take your required amount, your desired amount, apply directly. The more you rub it in, the better. The more you'll help the oils absorb through your skin barrier, and you'll start to feel that relief. Wait 30 minutes to an hour, possibly a bit more before applying again, but don't be afraid to apply more if needed. And there you have it. We've gone over each product, broken down how-tos, how each one can benefit you. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see us break down a certain product or a certain topic on CBD, feel free to reach out. DM us on Instagram, sun_drenched_farm. That's on Instagram. Go to our website, sundrenchedfarm.com. Get in contact with us. Hey, even give me a call. I'm always open to anybody that has a question, that wants to learn more. We're here for you. Our mission here is to deliver alternative forms of wellness, natural forms of wellness, and that starts here with the highest possible CBD products that really work, that deliver an end effect, CBD that you will feel, that makes a difference in your life. So thank you for tuning in. Let us know what you want to see next, and thank you for supporting Sun Drenched Farm.